Okay, so this is episode 2 of what I'm eating right now. Hello. I'm just briefly discussing. Um so right now what I have here is sauteed bok choy with onions and garlic. I put some Italian seasoning with thyme, rosemary, parsley, sage, and that stuff, and also some ginger powder and bay leaves and oil and safflower oil, sunflower oil, and butter. And I sauteed onions and garlic first. Then I added the bok choy. This is my bok choy. But I also made this is Barilla Plus pasta, so it has a bunch of stuff and other things.